How to withdraw money from Vantage. The first things first is you need to fully understand about the withdrawal policy on Vantage. So generally, withdrawal is usually processed within 24 hours depending on the withdrawal method chosen, and it also can take up to between 1 to 7 business days or more for you to receive your funds. Do take note that a single withdrawal request could be carried out via more than one transaction by the company. In order to meet that total withdrawal amount request, the company shall not be held liable for any deposit or withdrawal processing delays that are caused by payment systems. So for you to withdraw any specific amounts you have, just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, your total assets or your estimate total assets will be shown on your dashboards to choose on withdrawal and then input the specific amount and then choose your withdrawal method. That's how you withdraw money from Vantage.